Cool, welcome back guys. So today we're gonna do the body kit on my car. As you can see, I'm put the rear fenders. The front one, I have to change the whole fender completely. And same thing for the front and the rear bumper.
Old walls that I built for you, just to dig me out with silver stones. No, I didn't see it coming. Oh,
Alright, there we go. Front bumper's
old
off.
walls that I'm stuck inside. I guess beauty sees what
Alright, next it's going to be the fender. So in order to take these off first, we're gonna have to take these side skirts off. And in order to take them off, we need to open up the doors. And we're just gonna use a Phillips screwdriver. Go through side skirt. Fenders. That was easier than I thought. Alright, now let's do the other side. So if you see over here, just a bolt right in here. Zoom in like this. Oh. And then if you look under here, there is two 10mm bolts. This one and that one right there. And then it's just these two or three bolts on the front. The bottom one has it's a bolt and nut, and this one's just a screw. At the end, it's just these three. Whoa. That one broke off. "25 years old," well 26 really. And then right off. Then all you need to do, if you take a look inside here, is just disconnect this cable right here for the turn signals, and you're good. That looks pretty cool. So after you take these two bolts off the rear bumper, you're gonna have to take the center tail light off. And it's just 10mm. I believe there's 4 of them. Take it out and see what happens. Nothing? Oh yeah, there is just 2 on each side. In between the well, there's a Phillips screwdriver right here on the inside. There's 2. Alright guys, so after you guys remove the 2 here for the tail lights, the 4 up here for the center tail lights, and the 2 here from inside the wheel well, you are able to get it off. rear bumper off. It's so dirty too. And now we're gonna have to get those deflectors off. It's just a Philip head. So for these, it has this Philip head right here, and you take that out and it'll come off. Once you gotta slide it out to the outside, it will come off. Oh, just like that. Cool. And you just pull it towards you. So when you grab it, just pull it towards you, and it should come right off. And now these are gonna go on the new, not new, but used OEM rear bumper. Just like that. And then once we have the other one off, which she is doing right now, we're gonna put it on this one and then put it on the car. Alright guys, so that's it for today. So thanks for watching and see you guys soon. Peace.